So the reason why we're not seeing a link between these classes and the Sass partials anymore is because when we switched over to using Compass, Compass is set by default not to generate a source map. So we need to adjust that. So back in our project folder, we need to open up our config.rb file. This is a configuration for Compass. And here, underneath these parameters, we can add source map equals true. And we can save it and go back to the command line where we have our Compass running. And I'm going to stop this from running by typing Command C or Control C. And then we'll just run bundler exec compass watch again. And here you can see that a map is being generated. And so now if we go back to our browser and refresh, we'll see our snippet author thumb pointing to snippet.scss. And we can click on this snippet.scss to open it up. But because we've changed the location of our website, that is now we're running it on a local server using the Node HTTP server tool, the mappings that we created earlier on in this series are no longer accurate. So what we're seeing here is the remote version of our snippet.scss. And if we try to adjust this, let's say we add a display none to it, and we try to save it, we'll get an error. It'll turn kind of orange and we'll see that it didn't actually get saved because this asterisk is still showing. That's because we haven't mapped this to our local resources since we switched over to using this domain. You'll probably get this message that says map network resource to workspace, and then you can click on more, and then you can click on establish mapping now. And we'll connect this file to our local file and hit OK. Now that we've done that, if we scroll down and we inspect one of these avatars again, we'll see that it points to snippet.scss and we can go to it. And now if we adjust the styles, we'll set the display to none and save it. The browser will refresh as soon as our Sass has compiled down to CSS, and you see that our image has disappeared. Cool. Well, we can remove this style and save it.